I turn up, you get going. At every stop, baby, oh, it's showing. If I should stay, you find a reason to leave. When I'm busy, that's the time you are free. Just tell me, what should I do?
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you gonna like it here. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We are on a weekend away. Sifike izolo mama, so namhlanje is the next day, and I just wanted to come in and introduce this vlog. It is very early in the morning. I think it's around 7, and we are getting ready to go out for a walk. Izulu alikho kahle lona, but we're still gonna try and enjoy this weekend away noma ngathiwa kukanjani. So yeah, I just washed my face. I just washed my face with water. I didn't use my cleanser for now because I'm gonna have to use it. So I'm going ukuyisebenzisa kaningi ngosuku oluyi-1. So yeah, so right now I'm just gonna apply this on my veggies, my pan. Just gonna apply this and then put on my sunscreen, and then yeah, I'm going to show you some clothes like Hello. Hey guys, we've been back. Got this wheeler from taking a walk. We did 3.40 something kilometers. And I did do the, what do you call this? The house tour or the room tour. I hope you enjoyed watching that part of this video. And nibonile ke ukuthi le ndawo cute kangakanani. I just decided to wear this dress nje just le ngubo le ngayithenga last year October in. I think it was last year October, but it was a bit big here on the sides, and then ngase ngayinciphisa this year. Sakhumbula nini, but I think it's beginning of this year. And I decided ke ukuthi ngiyiphathe so I can wear it this weekend. Ngiyithanda. Let me step back khona uzoyibona yonke. I think it's cute. So yeah, manje we're just gonna chill and relax. Maybe sizodlala amakhadi, I don't know. But sizobona sizoyenzani. Isawehla kancane, but I don't wanna, angifuni ukuyinciphisa la amabhande. It's fine. Izolobe yehla kanje. Angazi ngizoze ngigqoke iphi futhi. Mhlambe mekhona oshadayo. Next year then ngizoyigqoka. So yeah.